we decided to throw our friend a surprise birthday party. Where should we go? Harlow Steak House in Summerlin, of course. For the special occasion, my friend was shocked. We started with the oyster. It was sweet, tangy, and fresh. How could you eat the oyster without champagne or French 75? Perfect pairing.
Seafood roasted in a smoked chili butter, a little bit of white wine, some lemon juice. We'll roast it in that broth. Hi, hello.
After the oyster, we start with some house salad.
Squash soup, Vadavan curry, honey nut crisp apple, as long as kale sprouts, and you can't forget about the squash soup.
Absolutely beautiful. Wow.
Perfect.
And, of course, the lobster appetizer. Our sommelier was doing a great job explaining wine and decanting our wine for us. The stuffed pasta was delicious too. The general manager Ivo did the tableside demonstration for us. Those sauces were delicious. Let's see how he made the magic happen.
I know, right?
Okay, so we start with a little butter and shallots. We're gonna saute these here. Yes. You want a bite?
Small time. Endo.
So Ivo, how long you been the manager here?
2 years since the opening.
And where were you before this?
I was at the Win before this and Bellagio before that. There we go. So we're gonna have, this is yours piece here first. We're gonna saute these onions first. Now, the next part is very important. Ready? There we go. Just pour it in, Mark. Yes, sir. Thank you. That's it.
Look at the 4 cameras going though, it's pretty funny, right?
I bet that would make a big tequila too. Call it a margarita. Yeah. I bet this one's tequila.
There we go. So this is the Wagyu from West Home Ranch in Australia. One of the best ranches there, where similar to the one in Japan, they cross the Australian cow with the Japanese. So it's very tender. This is a filet mignon, also the highest grade. Now the sauce is reduced 10 hours prior to this, and we just finish it here with shallots and butter. A little bit of brandy. This is 1 and 2.
Beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take a look at this. I am in the steak heaven. And here comes the dessert.
Oh shit. Oh, I wouldn't.
That's all right.
Harlow chocolate dream chocolate cake with 7 layers. I was wondering if either of you 2 ladies would like to do the hot fudge and pour it on top.
Hell yeah.
Right? Come on. You don't want to do it?
Yes.
No, you do it.
Go ahead. You do it.
Absolutely.
Look at that. Sexy.
I try.
You don't have to try real hard.
It's the height. And I do also want to say the banana foster creme brulee, vanilla bean chantilly, and a coconut streusel as well. Enjoy, everyone.
Thank you.
I guess this is the best birthday party for Jeff after all. We love you, Harlow Steak House. Can't wait to come back again.
Happy birthday to you.
See you next time.